right on the body. This is the Redcat Kaiju 6S, and today we're at this giant, awesome skate park over here. We got a ton of huge ramps that'll be great for backflips, and it's gonna be a whole lot of fun with this car. We hope you're all excited for this video.
So let's go.
All right, guys, we're gonna get the Kaiju all set up. Let's take off all the clips. So everything under the body is basically stock. I haven't done any changes. So let's pop in the batteries. We have two Saipom 3S 50C batteries. These things are loaded with punch and power. We're gonna stack them on top of each other and pop them in 3, 2, 1. All right, we got them in. You can see the straps are holding it in nice and tight. So let's plug in the Dean's plugs. There we go, they're all in. Grab our radio, turn on the car. Looks like we got power. Let's go run this. All right, guys, we got it out. Let's take it down. Jeez. Oh. Jeez. That thing flies so nice. Jeez. So guys, this thing pops massive wheelies. Oh, that was a hard hit. The bumper's just really flexy, so there's no issues with that. And the body seems fine, so let's keep running. Let's do our first big jump here. Oh, jeez.
All right, let's try it again.
Whoa, jeez. Oh, that was a hard hit. After deep inspection, it seems like we're good. What a durable beast. Oh, jeez. Oh, that noise is so loud. Jeez, that thing wheelies like crazy. Oh, jeez. Oh. Let's check that body. Oh, man, all scratched up. You can see there's a ton of holes there from all my crashes before. That's okay, though. It still looks epic. Here it comes. There we go. Go. And boom. Oh. Jeez. Loaded with power. Oh. Did it just cut out, guys? That is the downside of having Dean's batteries. They can unplug pretty easy. Yep, just looks like it was a connector to unplug. Let's plug that in. There we go. Turn it back on. All right, perfect. Let's keep driving. Oh, that was epic, guys. Oh, jeez. Flip that over. You guys see that right there? This would be a perfect run up right to this ramp. We can send it full. We'll probably do that at the end. So stay tuned. That sounded like it was about to blow up a tire.
I know, those tires were huge.
Oh, geez. Oh. Whoa. Oh.
That was very loud. It landed right on that metal.
Let's make sure it's okay from that. I'm pretty sure I landed it pretty well. Yep. Whoa.
He clearly is out of practice of pitching.
I am.
All right, let's jump it off these stairs.
So you can see there, I attempted to go down the stairs and do a standing backflip at the same time. Didn't really work out though.
Yeah, kind of failed.
Oh! Oh, that was crazy. I barely went over the fence. That was crazy. Here we go. All right, let's bring it back in, guys. All right, here it is, guys. Whoa. Jeez, that's pretty cool. What? All right, now let's bring it in the skate park. All right, guys, we got it back out. Oh. This really proves how durable this beast is. Oh. Nice. Let's jump it over the fence again.
This time on purpose.
Exactly. Here we go. Oh. Ah, that was crazy. All right, guys, it's completely fine. Nothing happened from that crazy jump. So now before we close out, we're gonna do one final jump, and this is gonna be full send off this massive ramp.
I do not think it's gonna survive. Something's gonna break for sure.
We will have to find out. He's gonna be doing a second angle right outside the park, so we'll see how it holds up, what happens. I'm really afraid, so let's get to it.
All right, guys, so I have my camera outside the fence so we can see how high and far it goes. All right, here we go.
Jeez.
Right on the body. Looks like all that happened is just the body got dented in. Let's take a look under the hood though. The batteries fell out and that seems to be it. That's pretty impressive, guys. Well, guys, with that, let's end the video.
All right, guys, that's pretty much the end of the video. It's really hot out. Henry's really tired, but the Kaiju really held up today. No breakages whatsoever. The only thing I noticed is we actually had a little body clip come out. The tether popped right out of that little hole there. And then the other thing we noticed was our wheel actually exploded from doing that giant jump. You can see there's a tear right there, so we will have to replace that sometime soon. But we just want to thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe like that little animation is showing you.
Comment down below how you thought the Kaiju performed.
We think it performed pretty epic. We couldn't really land all those jumps, but still, such a beast, such a powerful car. It runs so amazing on 6S. There's a link down below to this vehicle if you want to buy it off A-Man Hobbies. I personally purchased it from A-Man Hobbies. I had a great experience with them. We really hope you enjoyed this crazy bash. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time in our next video. Goodbye.